All men on earth, no matter how great, have suffered from bad habits. For some of us, they are the result of an absent father figure and a lack of guidance. For others, they were taught by someone who didn't know better. It doesn't matter. The difference between great men and average men is that great men saw their flaws for what they were and actively worked to correct these flaws. Do you want to be great? Number 1. Over-apologizing. Have you ever caught yourself prefacing your words with unnecessary apologies, as if you're apologizing for the mere act of speaking or being there? This is a very bad habit that is often caused by a lack of confidence. Unnecessary apologies happen whenever you're intimidated, shy, or embarrassed. Here's why this seemingly unimportant bad habit can greatly undermine you. First, apologizing creates an impression of weakness. If you feel shy or intimidated, over-apologizing will make you look even more intimidated. The person in front of you can and will smell that, and if they are predatory, they will take advantage of it. It reveals your cards to the person you're speaking to, and it makes you look weak and defeated in front of everyone else in the room. It lowers your respect, and it can get you into an even worse situation than if you had kept your cool and looked more confident. Secondly, over-apologizing can strain your relationship with your loved ones. Indeed, apologizing is a fundamental aspect of communication, a way to express genuine remorse when we've made a mistake or wronged someone. However, overdoing it makes your apologies lose their meaning and feel insincere. So not only does it make you look weaker in front of your loved ones, but on the day that you truly feel regret about something, your apologies will bear no weight and they will not feel any better after hearing them. Instead, you should keep your apologies sparse. Whenever you express regret about anything, the people who hear it should know that this is a rare occurrence with you, meaning that you truly feel regret and take responsibility for whatever you've done. Keeping your apologies sparse will keep their meaning intact, and you will be more respected for it. Number 2. Perfectionism. Imagine a scenario where you're working on a clever money-making business. You're meticulous about every detail, spending an excessive amount of time on minor aspects to ensure they meet your exacting standards. You wait and wait as you perfect your business, already jubilating at the thought of all the extra money you're going to make with your clever adjustments. And while you wait, someone else can be having the same idea and winging it and submitting it to the public before you're done, thus stealing your success. Sure, it may not look as good as your work, but it's there, and yours is not. The pursuit of excellence is admirable, but when taken to extremes, it can become a hindrance rather than a motivator. While striving for excellence is essential, obsessing over perfection can paralyze your ability to make decisions and move forward. It's like trying to hit an ever-receding target, causing stress and anxiety as you chase an unattainable goal. Perfectionism can also affect your relationships. You may expect the same perfection from others, leading to unrealistic demands and disappointment when they fall short. This can strain relationships and hinder collaboration. Rather than pursuing perfection, focus on excellence and progress. Understand that perfection is an illusion, and waiting for everything to be flawless can be a roadblock to success. Embrace the idea that making mistakes and learning from them is a vital part of personal growth and achievement. Accept that your work may not be perfect, but still do it and strive to improve little by little. This way, you will get things done, and they will not be mediocre. This is the best recipe for success. Number 3. Putting others first. Wanting to take care of your family or to help your girlfriend is admirable. But if you help yourself first, imagine how good you could be to them. Helping others effectively comes with helping yourself first. Do you want to defend your girlfriend and protect her? Get fit, learn how to fight, help yourself first. Do you want to help out your mom who's breaking her back at her terrible job? Fix your own situation first, become financially well off, then help your mom. But help yourself first. One common habit that can undermine your success is consistently putting others' needs and desires above your own. While being considerate and compassionate is important, constantly prioritizing others can hinder your own progress and well-being. You may neglect your own goals, needs, and aspirations in the process. While being selfless is admirable, it can become detrimental when it leads to self-neglect. Putting others first can also impact your self-esteem. When you consistently prioritize others, it may be perceived by some as a lack of self-worth or a lack of confidence in your own ideas and desires. This can influence how others perceive you and, in turn, how they treat you. It's important to strike a balance between caring for others and attending to your own needs and ambitions. While supporting others is commendable, remember that your success and well-being are equally important. Recognize that by taking care of yourself and pursuing your goals, you become better equipped to help others. As you work to overcome these subtle obstacles to success, remember that personal growth and development are ongoing processes. Embrace the opportunity to transform these habits into strengths and continue your journey to unlock your full potential. Join us in the next video as we explore more strategies and insights to help you thrive on your path to success. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected and receive valuable content to support your growth and personal development.